Hey guys, welcome back to my channel! Okay, so I'm going to be today I'm going to be making a succulent garden.
Lilac mist.
Lilac mist. Ooh. The moon silver. Oh, wow. This one's also moon silver.
That doesn't make any sense.
This one is a Vera Higgins.
This face meow.
Yeah, we're going to be putting them in this pot with the saucer. Beautiful. So first I'm going to put these. What happened to this bag?
About halfway, yeah.
Halfway.
Well, that's not half. That's like 1/3.
The purpose of this is so it has more drainage. And then I'm going to fill up with soil.
Oh god.
Ooh, that feels nice. To there, I can feel the rocks through the soil. The rocks are like up to here.
No, that's fine. Because the roots on those are so small. Yeah, you don't want it to get root rotten.
Okay, the first one, the lilac mist. Break it up.
So dry.
Like my knees. Make a little hole. This isn't gonna fit. It's touching the rocks.
Put more soil.
Next one, moon silver. Break it up. Put a little hole here. Dig it up. Dig it. No, put it. English. Words are hard. Okay. And then the next one, this other moon silver. Doesn't make any sense. But I'm gonna pick out these dead leaves. They nasty. Are you gonna put music behind this?
Nope. Just your natural weirdness.
I think I changed my shirt. I want to be done, but it's not. It doesn't look good. It looks like a piece of garbage.
Oh, hi. Thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
Okay, I'm done. Now I'm going to break up the soil. That is so dry. Ew. Dig a hole. Plop it in. Okay, next one is Vera Higgins. Save the turtles, like save the leaves, boys. Ooh, see? They have long roots. Dig a hole. Mess. Okay, let me put more soil in here.
That's cute.
Thank you. No!
Paintbrush it.
And do you have a paintbrush?
Sure.
Where do you Mary Poppins? Just pull it out of your bag?
Yep.
Okay, well that's not gonna come out. There we go! It's finished. Finished product.
Cute.
And now my pants are brown.
Oh.
Wonderful. I even got some in my hair.
Alright, you want to end it?
It's the end. Make sure to like or dislike, but you better like it. Subscribe down below. No. Share the video with your plant friends.
That's something different.
If you guys like this video, my mom will see you next time. Goodbye.